Yeah. Started with nothing but got off my ass when got me a bag, had to run it up. Sat here and patiently waited for mine, but now it's my time to go fuck them up. Put the guns down, we can knuckle up. They get shot in your face, bitch, you dumb as fuck. You know that I'm cut, ain't no trusting us. All my niggas got drinks, ain't no rushing up. Purple in my cup, run to my blunt, 20 grand a month. Young niggas stuck, drop a diss song and you getting punched. In this gang, so you getting jumped. I've been doing my thing for a minute now, but I'm focused, it's time to go get it now. Even killed them with battle rapping, but the smack that I got the beats not in and out.
Yeah, ducked off, got my change up, and my essays got my weight up. Nigga, all the smoke's California. Double cup when we pour it. Take a risk, it's the motive. Illuminati, nigga.
We stand on business, niggas, bitches, they can't gang with us. You ain't no killer, use a witness, bitch, don't play with us. When cuz was out here staying safe, bitch, we stay dangerous. He only think that he a demon off that angel dust.
Valentines presents Valentine's Day Massacre 3. Everybody make some motherfucking noise! It's the motherfucking boy, Tony Young, CD, TCS, FYCC, R3. All I do is battle rapping. It's true. I have two lovely co-hosts with me. To my left, who we got? And to my right, who we got? Yeah, the Boss Fans. Give it up to Boss Fans one time. Yeah. All right, who we got?
Hey, yo! Polo ROE, the motherfucking bully. P-Rock in this bitch. Top Gunners. Long live B go crazy. Just go ahead. Just go ahead.
All right, and to my right, who we got?
We got Top Gunner, Badlife Bird.
Talk dirty.
In this bitch.
Yeah.
Flint Town stand up.
Yeah. In this bitch. I say, ugly little bitch, ugly little hoe. I hate the way you walk, hate the way you talk. Make this nigga want to smack that jaw, then crack that jaw, then crack that jaw. Bird baby. I never fuck up on ya. Bird baby. I'd rather fuck up on ya. Hey, back when your daddy was sucking your mama's dick. Your daddy was sucking your mama's dick, drunk off that wild Irish, thinking about letting her hit. Some months done passed and she done smashed, and dog went to the hospital on some painful shit. Then tried a laxative and had a kid. Tried a laxative and had a kid. And pushed out this little shit. You stinking bitch. You let these niggas pump your fucking head up like you can fuck with me? Dollar, you fucking genius. Now I finally can flame Bird. Make her history. Bitch, fuck a phoenix, you trash asshole. I know if it's a problem, she ain't throwing them things. This bitch hair lying in front of you hoes' eyes. Bitch, back, let me stop. Cause with a face like that, bitch, I know I'm the type of nigga that you'll fight. Fucking lotto fucking stud. Fucking lotto fucking stud. And your nigga a bitch. I ain't coming to bull dyke, but I ain't gonna bark on him. Or I ain't gonna put the paws on him. But shit, since y'all all waiting, it's all starting chasing. I'm about to dog walker. I hope you ready, ho. Metal blow. Hey, I hope you ready, ho. Metal blow. Tampax at this lab rat. She got heavy flow. I fuck around and harpoon this whale-faced bitch. There she blows. I fuck around and harpoon this whale-faced bitch. There she blows. Or the cans clank. She Anne Frank. That's all she wrote. Bitch, if you wasn't so motherfucking ugly, I would have let you blow the shotgun. But that's not what it's about. So there's 12 gauge in her grill, since she used to double O's cock in her mouth, you raggedy bitch. I bet that pussy smell like a sack of shit. Or a bag of fish. Or that ping hillbilly can of spit. Hey, yo, hold it down, hold it down. You raggedy bitch. Hey, yo! You raggedy bitch. I bet that pussy smell like a sack of shit. Or a bag of fish. Or that hillbilly can of spit. Or I bet that pussy smell like the under the refrigerator catch the leaky water with the handle dish. But what's sad is this. That shit stinks! Hey yo! Hey yo, hold it down, hold it down. But what's sad is this. I bet you think niggas in it for the looks. Bitch, you got 9 kids. That's $1,832 in food stamps. Bitch, they with you because you cook. Hey, this bitch, hey yo, this bitch making porterhouses, red skin potatoes, shrimp scampi. Look, it's true. I seen this bitch making chicken cordon bleu. I'm like, ooh, this bitch fancy. Then I heard this freak bitch make a mean Greek dish. I'm like, ooh, your shit dope, huh? Till I catch her eating that Greek shit when I creep in and fire rounds. Bitch, oh, bah, I really shoot this bitch in the face.
They don't even get it.
They don't make fun. Hold it down. I really shoot this bitch in the face, and I mean it. Every fucking word. Then reload and fire more trays. I'm gonna make you legendary, bird. This shit's a blood sport. A little bit. This shit's a blood sport. That's what the fuck we got guns for. I mean, I got young cats that's trying to make me proud. They'll kill her and leave bird on the front porch, but this bitch a bucket. So I know I Dub a bang on this. I bang the 5th, and then had Dub find this hoe in a box like Django, bitch. Bitch, I'm popping through. Bitch, I'm popping through with my chopper, boo. I fuck around and catch this cockatoo, eating a cockatoo. Bitch, I'm popping through with my chopper, boo. I catch this cockatoo, eating a cockatoo. Then cock and shoot. Just to watch her kids book like Dr. Seuss. Now, this bitch said I wouldn't freestyle. Hey, now this bitch said I wouldn't freestyle. Yeah, she wild. This old voice ass motherfucker playing crazy like she don't know. That's the word! That's the word! That's the word! Hey, yo. This old voice ass motherfucker playing crazy like she don't know me. Bow, she see now. But listen, Auntie. You thought you was gonna come in this bitch and punk me? You drunk, B. Got the nerve to call me fat and sloppy. Bitch built like a Humvee. Then you had dick sucking ass Larry June. Yeah, his name Larry June. Dick sucking ass Larry June, chin balling like always.
Chin balling?
Ain't it a bitch? Talk about me paying for pussy. Boy, I got 6 children. Nigga, pussy free. I just pay them with kids. But it's okay, June. Whatever you say, June, be the lamest of shit. But you straight, June. No, wait. You the fake June. That would make you J2. Boy, you gating a bitch. But back to Bird, baby. But back to Bird, baby. Bad life bird. Bitch, you just make a sad life worse. I'm happy I lost my shit. I know your shit trash. I mean, that shit just make me want to grab the pistol, put the clip in, and go spaz. The 50 gon' blast. And hit her frail ass nigga in that bird chest and put her on her. Bitch, how the fuck you think with no ass? Hey, how the fuck, hey yo, fuck you think with no ass? How you living in the crib with no grass? Dirty bitch only taking bird baths. And Dub keep them boots on when he smash. Hey. Above the rim. Now I'm backboard. And Dub, since this your bitch, I'm shooting too. I mean, I'm a little nuts, so the Lord is my shepherd. If I shoot at bird, he better boogaloo. Hey.
Talk that above the rim shit.
No better. Hey, get this piece of poop a piece to shoot. Let's go ahead and test the people. Knowing this bitch ain't popping shit, but that dry ass pussy, that's a desert eagle. But let me stop playing. Hey, let me stop playing. Hey, yo, let me stop playing. Glock spraying, or I'm bound to bring the Western in. I will send this hoe to Zion. Her soul will break from the kicks. That's when the first round hit this pelican. But after this, bitch, keep it 100. When it's all said and done, don't go crying out in Flint trying to tell them that you won. You can tell them you stood your ground, fought back and didn't run, but ain't no boxing with the bully, bitch. You should have brought mascara, eyeliner, lip gloss,
what else?
A wig brush,
what else?
Mousse for that
What
motherfucker, Vagisil for that pussy,
what else?
A little Vaseline for them ashy ass knuckles,
What else?
a pair of jeans to pluck them chin hairs,
What else?
and a gun round,
I said I ain't nothing nice. You buzzing, right? B, check the cutting knife. I won't get no credit this card. Swipe his throat. He choking on his spit. That nigga sucking ice, a stress in sight. Pray over this nigga. Bless his fight. I'm about to lay this bitch nigga Bert is down at the altar. He accepting Christ. I had 2 rules in my contract. If I move forward, bitch, you better fall back. I don't need a bitch nigga invading my space. There's too much fucking room in here for all of that. And if I say some shit you don't like, and you feel the need to resolve that, I'ma rock this nigga shit. I see he trying to get his brother ball back. Don't get pushy.
Get that nigga ball back.
Yeah. Come on, give me my look.
What else? What else?
I said I'll rock this nigga shit. I see he trying to get his brother ball back. Don't get pushy. Trouble got this nigga winning, give him a cookie. Coronavirus won't let me be gay. I'm 6 feet away from bumping a pussy.
What else?
Mr. Polo Roe. You more hoe than every hoe I know. Fuck what you heard, Ock. I wouldn't give a fuck if you was blindfolded or high rolling. Bitch, every nigga stay inside to eat on Bird's box. Fuck Polo Roe.
Wow.
I was eager to whoop his ass like, Dub, hold my coat. Bullseye. I slide through shooting with my eyes closed. I got a mark on Polo. Fuck your whole existence, bitch.
Shout out to every 50 other niggas.
Let me talk to this nigga.
Keep talking. Hold it down.
I said, fuck your whole existence, bitch. Your mom ain't shit, your daddy ain't shit, a bunch of slop. I kill every motherfucker you hold dead to you. Bad life, bitch, that's how we mob. You said we got the same amount of kids. Well, bitch, I guess that's apparent. You should have brought those motherfuckers to this funeral. Bitch, that's one less parent. Quick question. Quick question. I got a quick question. When you start fucking Antonio Legend type shit? I mean, it's clear to see you a pussy that like dick. You got the nigga crying in the battle group, inboxing me like I'm a side bitch. Don't you know that's a fuck?
Hold it down. Hold it down. Let her get off.
Inboxing me like I'm the side bitch. Don't you know that's a fucking boy, Damon? Bitch, pass me the vice grip. You fucking peasant. You got this nigga playing on my phone. Conversation wasn't pleasant. Cuz, stay away from Polo ROE. I know he told you I was pregnant. I said, my bad, boy. I ain't know you was expecting. Let me know where you registered. I would like to get a present. You a sick nigga. Just out of curiosity, though. Who dick bigger? Oh, bird got your tongue? You little nasty ass lint licker. I hate you niggas. I hate you niggas. I spit at your feet. Ain't no gonna do nothing. All y'all hoes will get beat. I'll make your top bitch give me top bitch. You thought trolling me was gonna stop shit? I control this whole flight. Let's have a gun show in the cockpit, you fat bitch. I hope you suddenly get skinny. I hope you suddenly get skinny. Cause Febreze gave you AIDS. I hope you get diagnosed with alopecia. You gotta cut off your waves. I hope when you sucking that Tony, your legend dick, you get a fucking hair stuck in your tooth. And the hair get infected. You gotta get it removed. This bag's a golden girl. Look at him. Light skin, curly hair, pretty teeth. He think he fine, I bet he white. It's only right this 100-round drum, let him see 99. KJ said, this the... What up? What up? This bag's a golden girl. Look at him. Light skin, curly hair, pretty teeth. He think he fine, I bet he white. It's only right this 100-round drum, let him see 99. KJ said, this the battle that's gonna send you to your maker. I bet he right. No copping please, and I ain't just saying things. You will die in peace. Ain't no pain when an angel gaining wings. Fuck what you heard, bro. Fuck what you heard, bro. I get Rudolph insults. Red beam make his nose glow. Everybody strapped on this team. My nigga, this a pole show. I catch you at church. Slide through with the polo and hit the whole row. Hit roll net in his head. Stand back and watch his soul glow. You so fucking fat and nasty, you little monkey bastard. I knew this shit. Yeah. You so fucking fat and nasty, you little monkey bastard. I knew this shit was gonna piss me off. Bitch, I was hoping for a classic. You need to worry about how I got here. I got a rental, but I ain't riding it. When you go outside, duck. I'm finna let my little nigga slide in it. Fuck your life. Fuck your life. Fuck your life, nigga. Fuck your life. Bitch, I'll kill you for nothing. You fool, nigga. This a Valentines luncheon. Straight ether. Kidnap your bitch and take her as collateral. All my goons gon' slide on you gunners. Bitch, we running in your capital. You thought I really wanted to be one of you niggas?
You love us.
Motherfucker, I decline. After that shit P pulled, I know the Dina lost their mind. This nigga rolled all the way to Flint. On live, he was pissed. He had the views lit. Said he was gunning for the chief. But that nigga didn't do shit. I can't respect him. I can't respect you. I know you want to be my nigga if I let you. I got the messages. You said as soon as the battle over, you was hoping I would text you. What the fuck? You lost your mind, bitch. I am not a slut. But since you play crazy, fuck this battle. I bought the pump, bitch. I'm about to bust a nut. Cases all over. Room full of motherfuckers fighting the case when it's over. I'm still killing everything moving, bitch. You facing a soldier. I was never scared, bitch. I keep shooting till the danger is over. Weird ass. I tie a bottle around my fist and beat your ass with some tear gas. I tie your big ass up and tickle you, and if you laugh, bitch, you grass. You think you be outperforming motherfuckers with the dance moves. Everybody know. Fat people dance when they eat. Look, bitch, I can dance too. I love empanadas. This nigga about to get pissed. Like them one more bird trying to copy me. Shut your fat ass up before I break you down, bitch. I'm trying to hit the lottery. I know you. I know you want me to be your girl. You should have made that move before Dub got to me. See, Bree said you a beast with the head. I heard you like to do a sloppy. He said you be teasing bitches. Like, ho, why you stop me? I can't gun it for you, nigga. I got like one sentence left. Like literally one sentence left. I've been gunning for you, nigga. I set this up, nigga. This a robbery. Get on the floor. I'm taking everything when I'm scoping you out. Fuck still in the porch. I'ma load up your house. You dead, nigga. This was a stressing sight. I prayed over this nigga and blessed this fight. Then I laid this bitch nigga burden down at the altar. He accepted Christ. Time.
We stand on business, niggas, bitches, they can't gang with us. You ain't no killer, use a witness, bitch, don't play with us. When cuz was out here staying safe, bitch, we stay dangerous. He only think that he a demon off that angel dust.